Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. Look at our beautiful carbon fiber Model S and Model X 2021 plaid and long range armrest cover. So if you've got this armrest in your car, whether it's white or black, it's nice, it's padded, it's okay, but if you want more carbon, this is it. So this is the same 2x2 twill pattern, dry molded carbon fiber, and it's beautiful. We're gonna take it right now and show you how easily it installs. It's gonna come with a foam backing on it that's gonna prevent it from scratching this plastic material. And again, look at how the pattern matches perfect. It runs the same direction, lower left to upper right. It's very beautiful. It fits great, installs super easy, no tape, no glue, no mess, and it fits like a glove. So let's show you how to put it on. Okay, now we're going to place it in our test fit position. This is how you want to look at it first. And notice how beautiful it is. It matches the pattern in the vehicle. But we want to open it up like this much and put it over the end. So lift the end up like this and push it on. So I've spread it apart. Now we're going to slide it all the way down and in place, and then push the bottom right over the back. It fits perfect. It slides right on. It doesn't touch anything. And now when you open it, look at this edge over here. Look at how nice this fits all the way around the radius on both sides completely. You know it's on perfect when you can see the carbon here and when you can see the carbon here. Fits completely around the entire perimeter of the radius, all the way down in place, and look at how beautiful it looks installed. Okay, now also we're going to make some patterns for this. We also sell the Glossy interior kit, so you can make all your carbon fiber glossy with paint protection film so you'll never scratch it. Now this is not going to get scratched unless you have some kind of jewelry on, bracelets. You could scratch it. So we're going to make a paint protection film kit that's self-installing. You'll put it right on in the car on top of it, and it'll wrap Clear Bra paint protection all the way around here, just because you're not going to want to damage this, crack it, chip it, or scratch it. Thanks again for watching, and now, like we mentioned earlier, we're going to go into the Glossy car and show you what it looks like with the Glossy paint protection film and how it matches the natural glossy finish. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to install the Glossy center console piece for the Model S and X. In the interior where we have already upgraded it in the Glossy paint protection film. So we'll look through the window and I'll show you how it works. So in here you might notice that all of this carbon fiber has been upgraded with a glossy finish, except for the sliding drawer. But everything, including the dash, we have installed our self-installing clear paint protection kit on it. So it really is awesome. It'll prevent damage. It'll prevent this from getting scratches. You see the armrest, everything, all the door panels, the full dashboard. So this gives you the glossy carbon fiber look by simply installing Expel Ultimate Plus Clear Bra over the top. So anyway, let's put the glossy one on so you guys can see what it looks like. And again, notice, same thing. You want to line it up, make sure you put it on correctly. The front goes on the front, the back goes on the back. So it's wider or thicker in the front, narrower in the back. Just put it right down like this, right over the top. And we're going to slide it down in place. So we'll show you really carefully like this. Slide it right down in place, right over the back. And it fits on perfect. Again, check it on this side. Make sure it's grabbing all the way around, and there's no vinyl or plastic showing. So that's how you know it's installed perfectly. So this edge here, all around the top, if you put the light on or not. But I'm all protected. We're also going to make a Clear Bra piece for this. So this can get scratched up. This can't get scratched up because this has self-healing technology. Clear Bra paint protection film on it. But we're going to make a nice piece to go over this so you don't have to worry about your watch or anything when you're driving and you're sitting in here and you don't scratch it up. So again, that'll be an add-on piece we'll sell. It'll be real easy. You just put it right on, let it dry out. Don't even have a towel on me right now to wipe this off. But anyway, that's it. It's RPM Tesla. This is our new center console carbon fiber overlay for the Model S and X. Thanks again. And it's in stock now.